How do I get started with microservices? Microservices seem like a great solution for improving web applications, but how do you start with them? Here are a few tips. Start small. Don't try to tackle your entire application at once. Start by converting a small part of it into a microservice. This will help you get used to the new way of working and make any mistakes early on. Use the right tools. Several tools can help you with microservices development and deployment. Choose the ones that work best for you and your team. Plan for failure. As with any new technology, there is always the risk of failure. Plan for things to go wrong and have contingencies in place. Communicate with your team. Make sure your team knows what microservices are and how they work. This will help ensure everyone is on the same page and avoid confusion. Have fun. Microservices can be great fun to work with. Experiment and see what works best for you and your team. Why are microservices the future of development? Microservices are the future of web development for many reasons. Flexibility. Microservices allow you to quickly and easily adapt to changes in your business or the marketplace. This flexibility is essential in today's ever-changing world. Scalability. Microservices make it easy to scale your applications as needed. This allows you to improve performance and meet the needs of your customers. Resilience. If one microservice fails, the others can run unaffected. This increases system stability and resilience. Efficiency. Microservices are small and independent, making them fast and easy to deploy. Simplicity. Smaller services are easier to understand and work with than large, monolithic applications. This makes development and debugging simpler and more efficient. Microservices are the future of web development for all of these reasons. How will microservices impact my business? Microservices offer several advantages over traditional monolithic applications, and more businesses are beginning to adopt them. But what are microservices, and why do you need them? We will cover the 5 core components of microservices. These advantages make microservices an attractive choice for businesses looking to improve their web applications.